In this video, we're going to talk about how you can increase your conversion rates for your business using AI. For the purpose of this video, let's just imagine that I'm an e-commerce business owner and I just recently discovered about AI-powered customer support agents. Obviously, I want one for myself, and for this, I head to Google like any sane person would do, and I try to find AI specialist. So what happens, there's tons of them out there. Some have sleek websites, some have a really bright presence on LinkedIn or other socials, and I'm just trying to find ways to contact them. I fill out the contact forms, I message them on LinkedIn, or maybe even reach out to them through Fiverr, and I keep searching, right? Suddenly, an email pops up. I look at it, and it's one of the companies I reached out to. They replied instantly with a friendly, personalized email. Not one of those "we'll get back to you in 48 hours" sort of deal. This one came through in under a minute, and that is literally how you own business. That is literally how you win business. So if this happens to me and I'm an e-commerce business owner, I'm not gonna lie, I'm already 50% sold because they are already showing me what my business could look like for my customers. And if that's the sort of personalized customer support that an AI agent is able to give out, I want it right now. And this company can literally take my money. So the way that they responded so fast in such a personalized manner means that they're probably the real deal, right? So now just imagine that you had this system in your business. Someone hits you up and bam, within a minute you reply with a personalized message. You're playing on the excitement and interest while it's still hot. And what happens when you strike? Well, when the iron's still hot, conversions. I mean, they shoot up like crazy, man. And who doesn't love a little bit of instant gratification? So now I'm going to introduce you to the solution that is actually responsible for this magic. We are here inside of our good old friend make.com. For those of you who don't know what make.com is, it's basically your automation butler. Except this butler does not have to sleep, does not need coffee, and is not going to be texting on the job just like an unreliable assistant would probably do. So, in this video, I'm just going to give you a quick walkthrough of this automation, how it is able to come up with these personalized responses, and the sort of results that it will actually give out. So let's get started. This is a 5-step automation, and the reason why I haven't linked this one, I'll tell you guys in a bit. So in the first module, what happens is that we're looking for emails, right? So anytime a person comes over to your website and fills out a contact form, there is an email sent out to either a virtual assistant or somebody from the sales or whoever is responsible for basically responding to customer queries. And obviously, that email would sound anything like you have a new contact form submission, anything like that. So we watch for those emails, we look for those. In this module, we have our Google account or whatever email account connected, and we're looking for the inbox. And for now I've set it for all emails, but you could specifically type in a sender email address from which a particular email, whatever contact form you have embedded on your website, you'll be able to see that. After that, once we watch the email, we use ChatGPT to come up with a personalized response to that. For example, somebody came in and they submitted a form. We prompt ChatGPT to come up with a personalized response. We give it examples of the response that it should give, and we include the text content coming from the email. We adjust the tokens and temperatures depending on our use case. After that, we again use ChatGPT to extract the email received through that contact form, because obviously we'll be using that email to send out the customized reply that ChatGPT came up with. Similarly, we're going to give it some prompts and give it examples of the input, and then also the example of the extracted email address. And same process, we prompt it, and then we add this little tool here that's going to set a timer So obviously it's not part of this flow as yet, but when it is, this tool actually waits for 60 to 90 seconds. You can prompt it to wait for a minute and a half, and then send the email out, because obviously an instant reply would just be too automated and robotic, no? And after 90 seconds, an email is sent out to the person who submitted the form, and it's a personalized instant response, and it's catering to whatever query the person has. So I'll now show you how this exactly works like. So for example, this is a demo website that I have, and it has a contact form, which is the only way to contact this company. So let me fill in just these quick fields. We have the name, the email, the phone number, and a comment. I want an AI agent for my e-commerce store. All right, and let's just submit. Now this is submitted. I don't have the automation currently active on this particular website, obviously. So I will have to manually choose where to start, which is going to be the email that we would just have received. Let me show you what the email would look like. So you received a new form submission, and yeah, so this, I want an AI chatbot for my, I don't think it was this one. Let me just try again and refresh, because I think it didn't come up with the latest one. Yeah, there we go. I want an AI agent for my e-commerce store. We have the name Jerry, we have the email, and we have the comment, right? So this is the email that we automatically receive once the contact form was submitted. Now we want ChatGPT to use this content and come up with a personalized reply. So we go to make.com, and yeah, this is the latest email that we received. I can see with the time, it's 8:27 right now. Sent it out on 8:26. And let's just prompt this automation to run for this particular email. So the email is being watched. ChatGPT is coming up with a personalized response. It extracted the email, and now the email is being sent out. So let's see if I received that email. All right. So yeah, this is the email that I received, and the subject line is email received. We'll reach out in a bit, and this is the message content. Let's see. Hey Jerry, glad to hear from you. Uneza here, and I'm thrilled that you're interested in having an AI agent for your e-commerce store. I've passed your request along to my team, and we'll be in touch shortly to discuss how we can tailor our services to meet your needs. Feel free to share any specific requirements or questions you have in mind. Looking forward to collaborating with you. Warm regards, Uneza. This literally looks like I typed it. So, I mean, why wouldn't anyone want this for their business? Why wouldn't anyone in their sane mind not want these sort of personalized responses to every single person who reaches out to them? Just imagine the conversion rate being risen because of this particular automation. It's literally a 5 simple steps that you have to follow, and you could increase your conversion rate, increase your revenue, increase your sales, and whatnot. So anyways, the actual reason why I'm making this video is for you guys to get your hands on this automation. And if you want this auto email responder for yourself, I will send out the exact blueprint over to your DMs if you comment the word automation below, and you'll just have to connect your accounts. And if you will have any questions or problems with that, I'll definitely help you guys out. And if you want this email responder, just comment the word automation below. I'll send it out to you. You just have to connect your accounts, and you will have this automation ready for you. So thank me later once your conversion rates actually start to boost up. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.